Hello students, today I will be explaining you the another problem under cash budget. The information are given below. They are cash sales of they are given the information for the month of August 2005. Cash sales 4,29,800. Second one is credit sales, that is 8,90,000. 50% of the credit sales are realized in the same month. The second point you read, in the second point what it is given is 50% of the credit sales are realized in the same month. It means in the month of August only they will get 50,000. 25% in the next month, and that is after 1 month, and remaining 25% after 2 months. Okay, that is 50% same month means 50% they will get in the month of August. 25% in the next month means August they will get in September, and after 2 months means they will get in October. 25%. Okay, cash purchase means payment will be made immediately. Cash will pay, whether it is cash sales or cash purchase, the payment is done on the date of a purchase and sale. Next, fourth point, credit purchase of rupees 1,60,000. Always 10% of the credit purchase is payable in the same month. It is in the month of August, and the remaining 40% is payable in the month of September, and the remaining after 2 months, that is in the month of October. Okay, this is about credit purchase. Next, fifth point, wages of rupees 1,20,000. These are weekly wages. 3/4 of the wages are paid in the same month and 1/4 in the next month. Okay, so 3/4 is paid in the same month, that is in the month of payment in the same month it is paid, and 1/4 in the next month. 1/4 of the payment is made in the next month. Okay, then salary and sixth point. Salary of 80,000 is payable in the next month. First week of next month means it is payable in the September. Power bill 38,000 which is payable in the next month, which is next month it is given. Closing balance is given as 2,60,000. Now estimate the figures of the following September. They have given the information. Cash sales is given, credit sale is given, cash purchase is given, credit purchase is given, wages, salary, sale of investment, sale of old furniture. Sale is all income. Okay, purchase is all payment. Power bill, investment in corporate security. What you have to do is you have to prepare the cash budget only in the month of September. Only in the month of September you have to prepare. Okay, now see the calculation like this. It is cash budget for the month of September 2005. For the September 2005 it is given. Now the other informations goes like this. Openings balance of cash. Opening balance is nothing but the see the point number here, eighth point they have given what is a closing cash. So cash is 2,60,000. So you have to begin here 2,60,000 as a opening balance. Add a receipt. Now receipt is all the inflow. All the inflows are called as receipts. So receipts are given. Cash sales. Now what is cash sales? Now you go to the September information. Cash sales is 7,80,000. The first information 7,80,000. So write down cash sales 7,80,000. Okay, next credit sales. Now credit sales, you have to check the problem how to calculate the credit sales. Now if you go through the problem, first page, second point, if you check credit sales, 50% are in the same month, 25% in the next month. It means August 25% they will receive in September. So I'll go for the solution. Say August 8,90,000 into 25%, 2,22,500. Then 9,40,000 into 50%, that is of September month, into 50%, 4,70,000 total, and write in the outer column it is 6,92,500. Next you have sale of investment. You check in the, see here point number 7th, sale of investment 1,20,000. So you have to write that sale of investment 1,20,000. After that there is another point in the point number 8 sale of old machinery, that is 90,000. So come here, sale of old machinery 90,000. Now total all the receipts and write in the outer column, it is 16,82,500. The total is 19,42,500. Next comes any payment. So payment you starts from the third point, cash purchases 3,20,000. So right here cash purchase 3,20,000. Next payment to creditors, credit purchase. So the information I'll go here. See the fourth point, credit purchase 10% in the same month, 40% in the next month. It means August to 40% they will pay in the September month. So we will go here. So September month. So here what is a credit purchase? That is a solution. 1,60,000 into 40% 74. September's total credit purchase 2,30,000 into 10% 23,000. So total and write in the total column 87,000. Same way the next payment is wages. Wages what they have given the information. See the point number 5. 3/4 is paid in the same month, 1/4 in the next month. It means 1/4 they will receive in September. So you will go here. Wages September 1,30,000 into 3.4, so 97,500. Wages 1,20,000 into 1/4, 30,000. Now total and write in the outer column 1,27,500. Next salary. Now check the problem. Salary. Now salary you have, see the point number 6, salary is 90,000. So come here, salary write down in the problem. Salary of August is paid in the September. So August salary you have to check, it is 80,000. Power of August is paid in the September. So power August amount you have to write 38,000. Then anything to be purchased, that is investment is made. So it is a cash outflow of 10 lakh. So that 10 lakh I have written here. Then total all the payment and write in the outer column 16,52,500. Then deduct it from the amount, the closing balance you will get is 2,90,000. Okay, so this is what the problem of a cash budget. If you have any doubts relating this, you can ask.